Hi guys, it's me, Luna.
And Luna.
Today we are going to be playing with my Eldolls. She has doll face
It spits.
and its magic fingers spitting. Oh, and I got little mirror baby to play with. That's the little sister. Actually, that's doll face. Okay, so we're going to play.
Okay.
And she had to find me. You can't find me.
Where is she? Over here.
Oh, and just pretend I was a big blob and you couldn't see me.
Big blob.
Mmm.
It's so nice.
Alright, I dare you to taste all of it.
Okay.
No, like that much. You have to swallow that much.
Are you sure?
Oh.
3, 2.
Okay, so we are going to be doing who can eat the most bubbles. Okay, so we're going to take our bubblegum out.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to eat it. We both have to get a handful. Okay, get your handful.
Okay.
Okay, 3, look at it's been a while. I swear, this is the worst challenge ever.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to